world where the control of money is not in the hands of a select few, but decentralized, in the hands of many. Welcome to the future of finance. Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency trading. As we embark on this journey, our first stop is Binance, a titan in the cryptocurrency landscape. Known for its user-friendly platform, Binance has gained a reputation as a hub for buying, selling, and trading an array of cryptocurrencies. Its intuitive interface coupled with robust security measures makes it a preferred choice for both novice and seasoned traders. As we delve deeper, we see Binance's vast array of cryptocurrencies on offer. From the trailblazing Bitcoin and Ethereum to promising newcomers, Binance is a treasure trove for traders seeking to explore different markets, analyze trends, and execute trades with precision and confidence. But how does one navigate the complexities of this dynamic landscape? Binance empowers its users with an arsenal of powerful tools, advanced charting features, a wide range of order types, and more, all designed to help traders make informed decisions and optimize their trading strategies. Binance is not just a trading platform. It is a vibrant community of enthusiasts and experts. With an array of educational resources, live events, and interactive forums, Binance encourages learning and collaboration, ensuring that its users are always informed and engaged. In the world of cryptocurrency, security is paramount. Binance understands this, prioritizing the safety of its users' funds and data. State-of-the-art encryption, multi-layered authentication, and proactive monitoring are just a few of the measures Binance has in place to provide peace of mind to its users. As our exploration draws to a close, we see that cryptocurrency, powered by platforms like Binance, is not just a trend. It is a glimpse into the future of finance. A future where innovation, inclusivity, and empowerment are not just ideals, but realities. So, are you ready to embrace this new frontier, to join the millions who have already embarked on this journey? Start your cryptocurrency trading journey with Binance today. The future of finance awaits.